Grief. It's a word we often associate with humans. Tears, rituals, a heavy heart. But what if I told you, grief isn't just ours? That the deep, aching sorrow we feel might also echo through the animal kingdom. Today, we're diving into a world where loss transcends species. A world where elephants linger at burial sites, magpies gather in somber clusters, and dolphins carry their deceased calves as if time itself has stopped. This is not just instinct. This is something far more profound. Consider elephants, majestic, intelligent, deeply social creatures. Footage from wildlife researchers shows them returning to the bones of lost family members years later, caressing tusks and remains, as if reaching across time to reconnect. It's a behavior that seems painfully familiar, almost human. And it's not just them. Across the skies, magpies have been observed gathering around fallen companions. A flock circles silently, sometimes touching feathers, sometimes just watching. Are they mourning? Performing a ritual?
Science is beginning to suggest.
Yes, perhaps they are. In the oceans, dolphins and whales carry their dead calves for days, sometimes weeks, even as decomposition sets in. Researchers describe mothers swimming with their lost young, nudging them, supporting them, an instinct
Or an expression of grief.
evidence is leaning toward the latter. So how can we begin to understand this? Neuroscience tells us that many animals share brain structures linked to emotion. The limbic system, the pathways of empathy. Chemicals like oxytocin and dopamine, the same that bond humans, are present in social mammals, birds, even some marine life. Social bonds are key. In elephants, orcas, and primates, grief seems tied to the depth of relationships, family, close companions, long-standing social structures. And while some behaviors are learned, the emotional response appears to go beyond instinct. These creatures are not just reacting, they are experiencing. Scientists are beginning to use terms like proto-grief or analogous grief, a spectrum of emotional responses that might not mirror ours perfectly, but are unmistakably real. Recognizing this forces us to rethink how we view animal life, their intelligence, and their emotional depth. And the implications are profound. If animals feel grief, if they mourn, it challenges our ethical responsibilities, from conservation efforts to the ways we interact with all sentient beings on this planet. It's a call to empathy, to awareness, to truly seeing the world around us. The evidence is clear. Grief is not uniquely human. Across land, air, and sea, loss resonates, echoing in ways we are only beginning to understand. By opening our eyes, we start to recognize that the world of emotion is not ours alone. Observe, reflect, empathize. Because every creature we share this planet with has a story worth hearing, a sorrow worth acknowledging, and a life worth protecting. If you found this journey into the hidden world of animal emotion, consider sharing it, supporting research, and fostering empathy, because the more we understand, the more we grow together.